In this tutorial, we'll show you how to add highlights to the cover of your CEWE photobook. To begin, choose a hardcover for your book, as this will enable you to have the option of adding highlights. When editing the cover, click on the text box to activate editing mode. At the top of the screen, you'll find the Highlights tab. By selecting it, a drop-down list will appear. Select your chosen highlight, and this will be applied to your text. You can also add highlights to your clip art. You can only have one style of highlight on your cover, so the clip art will need to be in the same style as your text. To add clip art, click on the clip art icon on the left-hand side of your screen, and all the clip art options will appear. To only show the style available for your chosen highlight style, select the relevant highlight in the drop-down menu. To apply a clip art to your book, simply drag and drop it onto the desired page. You can then resize and reposition it to where you'd like it on the page. To explore an even wider range of clip art choices, scroll to the bottom of the clip art list and click on Download More. On the new screen, use the Filter panel on the right-hand side to filter by your highlight style. You can then select the additional designs you like and click Install Selection for them to appear as options you can add to your book. And there you have it. You've now added the perfect finishing touch to the cover of your CEWE photobook.